So, what is route map? Route maps. If you know ACL, so route map you can understand easily. This is a like this is similar to scripting language if and else. Like suppose that in a scripting language we have condition. If that is right, okay. Else other option will wrong. Means suppose
Yes.
if else means like what you can say in simple language, like if anything is right, okay. If anything is
Yeah.
right,
Yeah.
so in next option it can be true or else it can be wrong. If you have any statement,
That is what is used in shell scripting.
yeah, shell scripting also. So if you have any statement, right, it can be true or it can be false. That's it. For basic understanding. If you have any statement, so it can be true or it can be false, right?
Yes. Yes.
So this is similar to scripting language if else, and we used to allow to define match statement. Actually, we match statements over in a route map. I will show you how, then you will see, oh, it's very easy. Like I have some selected traffic. So selected means your like ACL interesting traffic. So I will match that traffic. Theory is little bit tough, I know. Okay, yeah, route map. Okay, in route maps we have like three types of route maps. Three types we can control our traffic. Policy based traffic, policy based routing. In policy based routing we use route map. Okay, redistribution route filtering. Then we use route map. Means redistribution traffic filtering. For traffic filtering also we use route map. Sometimes name is very hard but work is very easy. BGP policy implementation. That was my issue. That's why I come here again to route map. BGP policy implementation also we use route map. So you have to remember only it is a kind of route map is kind of a condition we have to apply on our router, right? We will apply some condition on my router, and basically we use route map in this area. Policy based routing if I have any redistribution filtering, then I will use. If I BGP policy implementation, then I will use route map. So let me think, should I go for policy based routing first? Yeah, I have to go. So what is policy based routing first? So what is policy based routing? It allows you to define What define? Define policy. Okay. Which tell how the traffic is forward. Means it will tell you how the your traffic is forwarding. How the traffic is forwarding. If matches, forward based on policy. So we will create some policy and we will say how our traffic will, you know, forward. It's just a theory, nothing else. If not matches, if your policy not matches, then forward based on normal routing. I will explain you this thing very easily because theory also important because interview time they ask theory. That's a problem. Okay. Okay, let me start lab, then I can explain you better this thing. What is policy based routing? Oh my god, it's not working. Okay, let's start first policy based routing. Then I will cover route map, then we will cover other things. I think I should cover route map first, then I should go for policy based routing. What do you think? There is a lot of topics, redistribution list, offset list, but I don't want to go there because if you are working in big environment, so you will see, there I prefix list also in MPLS side. Okay, let's do first policy based routing, then I will go for routing or I will cover in this lab. Policy based routing. Basically, a policy based routing, I will handle my traffic according to myself. Okay, I will handle my traffic according to myself. That's it. Okay, this is R1, R2, and this is I can make my LAN area. Okay, so I can connect this to S2/3 and S2/1. Two link I will connect. One is primary and second one is secondary link. S2/1. Okay, here I have some loop back on R2. And IP address, I will take here 1.1.1/8, and here I will take 1.1.2. I have two links, right? So two links, one is primary link and another was secondary link. S2/1 is secondary. So here I will take 2.2.1. Here I can take 2.2.2. That's it. And this is my LAN area. R3 is my LAN area. I can give 10.1.1.1, and here I can take 10.1.1.3. And one more thing, I'm here taking F0/1 40.1.1.1 and my loop back. So I will take 30. Sorry, I should take 30, not 40. Now first we have to do basic configuration, and we will first apply EIGRP. Okay, am I audible or am I speaking to myself? Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, so basic configuration first we have to need. Right now we are not doing anything, just basic configuration. Then one by one I will tell you what we have to do. Okay, so R1 basic configuration is very easy here. Interface S2/0, then no shut, interface S2/1, then no shut. That's it. One more interface F0/0, and that's it. No shut. So R1 is completed. Let's go for R2. R2 also we have two interfaces and loop back. Okay, that's IP configuration. Now loop back configuration. Okay, my son saw me when I was taking shower. What do I do? Oh my God, what kind of question they are asking? Oh, so see, I assigned my loop back and everything. Now R3 also same basic configuration you have to assign first. interface F0/0 IP at 10, sorry, /8, and then we have F0/1 30.1.1. Okay, then loopback 0. I will give you configuration, no problem. Okay, okay, yeah, my configuration is done. Now we have to use EIGRP. Okay, so let's use EIGRP 100 on every router.
Ashish,
Yeah,
let me quickly ask one question.
what question?
If you are in your, okay, at work environment, they will always specify which topology to, I mean, which,
They will give you document.
okay,
They will
what
not,
to use.
yeah, they will give you like this kind of documents. You have to identify. Suppose that they give you this kind of document.
Okay,
So it's data center and we have this ISP cloud. I have two connection, AT&T and Comcast. Two connection coming to my switch. This is my core switches. Switches can work router and no, this is my core router or core switch also because sometimes they use if they have good budget they use core switches. Means very heavy switches, right? They can
okay,
perform easily routing switching. I will explain you this thing when my class will end, so you will understand. They made HSRP here. HSRP
okay.
means if one router will down, so your other router or other switch will up.
We pick up.
Yeah.
All right.
Then you have after that you will get some firewall. Okay. Every
Okay.
topology. This is basic. Okay.
Okay.
After basic topology, first see. First you have first when you have core, right? If something is in your core, so first you have router. Then obviously after the router you will get firewall. Then switches again.
Okay.
And after the switches you will get some more switches and more switches, then you can get again firewall. So it's depend topology, what kind of topology they are using. When you work you will understand slowly. It's not a one day task, right?
Yes.
So I will use EIGRP. I want to show you router one. Let me put no auto summary first. Sorry. The network. What is the network? 10.0.0.0. Everything is /8. Okay, that's it. EIGRP is easy to implement. Now actual thing will start after configuration EIGRP. 12.0.0, 2.0.0. Let me put one here. I think completed 12.1.2.20. Yeah, completed 100. Okay. Net noto summary. Network 10.13 and 30. Okay. 10. Okay. 10, 30, 30. Okay, it's completed. Okay, first I will check on neighbors on R1. How many neighbors I have? Okay. Show IP, EIGRP, neighbors. So how many neighbor I have? Can you tell me, anyone?
Yeah. You have three.
He's
Two
saying
neighbors. So,
three. You can simply see R1
okay,
has 1 and 2. But
okay.
why it is showing 3? That is the question. Why it is showing 3 neighbor? Because I can see, right?
Yes.
There is one neighbor, that's it. But
And we have three neighbors.
why it's showing 3? Can you see again carefully these two things?
Mm-hmm.
Let me.
On the router. One S20, S21.
Okay. R1 has two link connected, right? R1 has two link connected. This is two link, 1, 2. Can you see two link there?
Yes.
So one is 1.1.2 and second neighbor is 2.2.2.
Oh,
According to link, if you have 3 link, so it will show you 3 neighbor there,
three links. Okay.
right? Got it? That was
Yeah.
the basic step. Like in the beginning, if a guy, people doesn't understand. So in the beginning, I say they just see one router and second router, you have two neighbor. But now I am going in the deep. If you have, suppose that here I have one IP, right? Here also I have one IP. So I have 1.1.1, 1.1.2 is my one neighbor, and 2.2.2 is my second neighbor because I have two links on R1. And this is third link, right?
Yeah.
So third neighbor, 10.1.3. I hope you are understanding what I'm saying.
I get it.
Okay, that's great. Okay, now I will check route of EIGRP. So let's see, show IP route EIGRP. This thing you have to understand very carefully. Very, very carefully. Okay, so can you see 12.00/24? This thing, it is able to, are you able to see this thing?
Yes.
So see there, 12.0.0.0, right? This
Mm-hmm.
is coming via 2.2. Just go here. 12.0.0.0, this one is coming via this link, right?
Yeah.
And see another this statement, and it is coming via this link also. EIGRP has a, this like you can say characteristics. He it support load balancing. This 12.0.1.1, it's coming via two links. Okay, S2/0 and S2/1. It's clearly mentioned here in two lines. You can see these two lines. Just see these two lines. Don't focus anywhere. Just see these two lines. 12.0.0.0 coming via 2.2.2. This one. And second here, via same 12.0.0 coming via 1.1.1. Sorry,
Mm.
1.1.2. Same with 1.0 means this one. Same with 2.0, this one. Same with 3.0, this one. So basically, what is the meaning? This 12 network, right? It's coming via this link also and is coming via this link also because I have two links. Okay.
Okay.
Where is that? Okay. But it's a problem. What is the problem? Let me show you one problem. This is a problem. I don't want this S2/1. What I don't let me my right now what is happening? This 12 whole network is coming via this 1.2 and 2.2. R1 receiving here, okay, from 1.2 and 2.2. I want to do something. I want to do something like what I should do. I don't want it will come from here, right? I don't want it will come from here. So what I can do? Let me try to increase bandwidth of this link. I will increase bandwidth of this link. Let me try to bandwidth. Let's see what will happen if I will increase bandwidth. This is little advanced lab. Okay. So I will try to increase bandwidth of S2/1. So how I will increase bandwidth? I will go in configuration, interface S2/1 and bandwidth. I will say 1000. You can see bandwidth shift and question mark. Bandwidth in kilobytes. So I will increase here 1000 kilobyte. Okay. I increase bandwidth 1000. I will write here S2/1. Where is, yeah, this bandwidth here is 1000. Okay. Okay. Let me see the default bandwidth. Show how you will check bandwidth. Show interface S2/1. So bandwidth will show you here. Uh, where is, can you see bandwidth here? See this one.
Okay.
Let me check bandwidth of this link S2/0. Show interface. It should be, more than S2/1. So here is bandwidth, this one. 1544. So I decrease, sorry, I didn't increase, I decrease bandwidth. Okay. This is decrease. I decrease bandwidth of this one. Okay,
Yeah.
let's see now what will happen. I will check again show IP route EIGRP. I will check what happen if I change bandwidth. Clear IP route. First I will do clear IP route star. I will clear my routing table. Let's see now. Nothing happened. Everything is still same, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I want to, I will go in this R3. I will trace this 12 network. Let's see. Trace means you are checking your traffic is going from what path. So I will use trace route 12.0.0.1 and I will use source address. Okay, it's not working here. Great. Okay, my trace route spelling is wrong. 12.0.0.1. We can put, any source. Suppose that what's happening right now. Okay, this thing you also need to clear. Right now, what's happening? if you ping from this router, like you ping 12.0.0.1, right? So what will happen right now? It is using this interface as a source IP address, and this interface as a this IP address as a destination. This is my destination, and this is my source. So ping working like this. But I don't want to check with this interface. I want to check this loop back to this loop back connectivity, right? Supports that this is a PC and this is also PC. I want to check only PC to PC communication. I don't want to involve this router interface. Yeah, it would be here, but just only for connecting purpose, but not my ping purpose, not my ping purpose. So let me clear you again. When you do normal ping, okay, that time this is your source and ping. What you want to ping? 12.0.0.1. This is your destination. So this is a basic thing when you do a normal ping. This is your source address and this is your destination address when you do normal ping. But it it checks only 10.1.1.3 is reachable to 12.0.1. When you do normal ping, it's check only your 10.1.3 can ping to this 12.0.0.1. But I don't want this thing. I want my source should be this one and destination should be this one. Okay. So this loopback will check to this loopback, not this interface. Okay, let's try it. You will understand. Okay, so I use trace route or you can use ping also. First, I will do normal ping. Ping 12.0.0.1. Okay, it's a normal ping. So right now, if I am pinging, so it's taking source this 10.1.1.3. This 10.1.3 is my source address and 12.0.1 is my destination address where I want to ping. But I want to change my source. I don't want 10.1.1.3 will 3 I will see. I want to see 13.0.0.1 can ping. Okay. So ping 12.0.0.1 and source 13.0.0.1. Okay. So see there. Here is written also source address. So that means this 13 and this 12 is directly reachable. They can ping with each other. Okay, let me use trace route. Trace route is also same. Let me do same simple trace route. It's showing me my traffic first going to 10.1.1. Okay, where is this one? Then it is going via 1.1.2. 1.1.2. Okay. So right now my path is, if I do ping, my traffic is going first here, it's stop here, then it is using this first S2/0 link, right? Let's try to do source address. It was normal trace route. Now I will trace route 12.0.0.1, but source should be not this 10.1.3, 30.0.0. See, did you get any difference here? I will not go hurry up. I will not, I will not go fast whenever you will not understand. Can you see any difference between them? Just read 2 lines. When I do normal trace route, right? And when I am
Yeah,
doing trace route with source. So what's happening here? Let me explain you.
there is difference.
Just see this 2.2.2 and 1.1.2. Okay.
I think we have a difference.
Yeah. What is the difference? I will explain.
The
When
difference, the difference is going through the other link
yeah,
that is down. It's not going through the upper link.
yeah,
It's passing through the down link.
yeah. When I use normal trace route, so my traffic is going this first link. My traffic is going by first link. When I do trace route, normally trace route. When I do normally trace route, so it use this is a source address. But when I am using this is my source address and then I am doing trace route, so it is going same here, but it is using this second link 2.2.2. So that's mean my traffic is going my sorry, this two link is utilized. Okay, so this thing we say traffic forwarding. When you analyze your traffic analyzing or traffic forwarding. Before you was not aware of this thing because we did only ping and that's it. But now we are tracing our traffic. My traffic is using which link and which IP address. Okay, let's go another step. This was basic step first I did. Okay, let's create some policy first. So I will text here, otherwise you will forget. So my task is configure policy. What I have to configure? Configure policy based routing on R1 as per the given condition. So I will try to make some condition here. Let's see what is the condition. So condition 1, traffic source from 14.0.0.0/24. Sorry, 13, not 14. Why I'm taking 14 again and again. This first one and 13.1.0/24. This second one should be forward. Okay, on S2/0 link. Okay, so what is this condition? Just give a look here. This is the first condition. Why it's not moving? Okay, let me copy on notepad. It would be better. Oh my god. Okay, control plus plus plus. This is my first condition. Traffic shows from 30.0.0. This one. First loop back and second loop back should be forward. This two loop back. This one and this one. This two loop back should use this S2/0. Okay. This is the first condition. Okay, let's see second condition. traffic same source from 13.0.2.0/24 and 13.0.3.0 sorry /24 should be forward on S2/1. Okay. So what is my second condition? This one. This 13.1.2.1. This two link. This two
Yeah.
loopback. It should be used this S2/1. Right
Yep.
now, if you will check from R3, let me check 30.3.1. Trace route 30, sorry, what is the IP address there? 12 dot 0 dot, sorry, 1 source address 30.0.3.1. So let's check it. Right now it is using 2.2 S2/1. Okay. So condition is matching S2/1. Yeah. Right now condition is matching. No problem is there. Okay. And let me write other condition also. Condition 3. All traffic, because remaining traffic, all traffic, all traffic, all the remaining traffic uh, sourced from 30.1.1, this one, should use the default routing path. Okay. So I have three condition now. First condition about this loopbacks. Let me just write it individually so it would be better understanding for you. There is no text edit. Okay, great. I can copy. Control C. Okay. This two traffic, they should use S2/0. Okay. And remaining two, 13.0.2.1/24. They should use S2/1. So let me write another one. Okay. I think now it's little clear. This two traffic, they will use this link S2/0 or S2/0, and remaining two, they will use this link. And this one, 30.1.0, it will use default routing path. Default path. Okay. So this we have this three condition I mentioned here, without theory and theory also. So when we have to define our interesting traffic, so we have to make access list always. Without access list, we cannot do it. So on R1, I will make access list. I will make a standard access list near to the destination. So access list, you can write 10 permit. Okay, which traffic I want to use first? 13. First loopback, 13.0.0, 0.0.255. Then second loopback. Okay. So both I permit. Now what I can do, I permit to traffic, and let me make, okay, let me show. So here, for this to loop back, I made access list 10. Okay, I am explaining here also, so you can, oh sorry, not this one, this two.
Which one? Oh, okay.
This is different loopback, right? S2/1 is different link. I will here use access list 20, because otherwise how I will filter my traffic without access list? See, access list 10, I filter this two loopback, this 13.0.1 and 30.1.1, right? In access list, I filter this two traffic. Now I will make access list 20. I will filter my another loopback, 13.0.2.0. This is the, that's it, yeah. And 3.0. So I made three access list for my loop, two access list for my loop back. Okay. Now I will create a route map. I created access list, right? I created access list for this two loop back. I created access list for this two loop back. But how my traffic will go? I created only access list. If I will say interface, so it is not possible. So I have to make condition now. So I will make route map. Route map, or you have to same permit. First you have to give any name. So what I can give name here? Route map. I can give CCI, not CCI. Link S2/0, right? This is the link, so it will easy identification. Permit 10. Okay. So what I have to assign, I will match this IP address here. This thing I will match, means this access list. Match IP address. IP address means access list 10. Okay. Then I will use next hop. For this access list, for this condition, I will use 1.1.2. So set IP next hop 1.1.2. So this thing is completed here. This one statement is completed here. I did nothing. First I created for these two loopbacks, I created an access list, and it should go by this S2/0. Okay. And this is a problem. How I will forward my traffic to S2/0? That's why I created route map here. Link S2/0. I wrote no name here also. So I can easily understand this is for link to S2/0. This one. So I said access list 10. So access list 10, what is access list 10? This is access list 10. It should be match here. Okay. And it should use 1.1.2. I use this condition. Do you have any problem here? Let me know. I will not go on next topic whenever you will get problem here, because this is main thing.
Yeah.
So what did you understand? Just explain me a little bit so I can. What about Festus?
You said what? I understand what you're saying. I understand what you're doing right there.
Okay. So what about Yusuf?
I'm fine.
Okay. I did nothing.
It's clear. It's
I
clear.
let me again explain you. I created access list for this to
Yes.
loop back because this is my interesting traffic, selected traffic. Whenever I need my selected traffic, so I have to make access list. Without access list, I cannot do, selected traffic, like choose what is my selected traffic. Then this selected traffic I applied on route map,
Okay. Hmm.
and it should use next of this one. Okay, let's do for another. So I will make another route map, permit, sorry, name, link
Yeah.
s2/1 for second link, and we'll write here permit 20. And match IP address is 20 there, means access list is 20, I know. And set IP next hop, I know what is 2.2.2. Okay, so my condition is clear here. Or you can define your interface also. Like if you don't have, suppose that you don't have IP address, so set interface. You can define interface also, from which interface you
Okay.
want. Yeah.
Okay.
So it's not compulsory every time you have to. So let me exit. Always remember when you make route map, okay?
Yeah. Okay.
I made two route map here, 10 and 20. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So one route map I will make for like a permit statement. That's it, nothing. Like a ACL.
Yeah.
So let me write here different name. Oh my god, now it's a problem. I
What's
use
that?
different name. Okay, let's see. Now I have to make link s2/1 permit 30. That's it. This is just link s2/0 permit 40. We have to give always permit statement in Cisco after making any statement of route map.
Okay.
So that's permit, nothing I will configure here. Okay. Now where I will put this route map. So let's see, show route map. This route map I created actually.
Hmm.
So route map link s2/1 permit. Okay. It will match IP access list 20. Okay. And it will use next hop 2.2.2. Okay. Another route map I have 2.1. Sorry, this is permit statement, not it. Then another I have route map 2.0. And it will use access list 10. Okay. And it will use 112 next hop. Okay. This is normal, which I created permit statement. That is nothing. Okay. Just you have to
All right.
focus this on this link. Okay.
That's all right.
Now I have to apply this route map. I created condition, but I will apply here because from source I want this. So I will apply on R3. Or should I apply on R1? What do you think, guys?
Whichever you did.
Can I apply on R3? Just give me just little.
Is it possible to apply on R3?
Just think about your traffic is going R3 to R1, right?
Yeah.
R3 we don't have any access list, right?
Hmm.
So how can I apply on R3? I will apply on R1. Always remember where you did configuration, you apply there. Don't apply another router.
Okay, so it has to be on wherever you make your statement,
Yeah, same router.
the same router.
Yeah,
All right.
otherwise my statement will not work because statement is here and I am applying
So
here. So how it will work?
that's true. So it won't work. Yeah. Okay.
So IP policy, what I want to apply, route map, link, route map link s2/0, okay, and s2/1 because I have two route map.
Hmm.
Okay, let's see what happened now. Okay, debug IP policy. Let me debug, IP policy. This is like a packet I will see. I debug means I will open some IP policy packet. Debug command we use for in real environment we don't use it because sometimes it crash route. Okay, but lab environment we can check because in real environment we have tools, we have another thing to do it, but lab environment we don't have, so we can use debug. Debug means you want to see every packet. Okay,
Yeah.
let's try now. R3. First, I will see my condition. 13.0.0 should be forward s2/0.
Hmm.
Okay. Trace route 12.0.0.1 source address 13.0.0.1. So it is going via
Okay.
2.2. Is it
Yeah.
right?
It's right.
Really?
Yes, because you're trying to trace the route. Forwarding link to S2. Yes. Which one is S2? Yes, it's right. 2.2. Yeah.
It's wrong.
2.2.0.
Yeah, condition is wrong. Why condition is wrong? I said if 13.0.0 I will use, means first loop back I will use. Okay,
Uh-huh.
so it should be forward to s2/0. It should be go via s2/0, but it is going via s2/1. That's why it's wrong.
Okay, going to S2 slash. Okay.
Okay, let me clear route first. Clear IP route start.
That's
Let's see again. Otherwise, I have problem with route map. Okay, it's wrong. It's not going. Let's see another. Maybe another is working.
okay.
13.0.2.1.
Trace routes.
Source. Oh, sorry. What I'm doing. 12.0.2.1 source 13.0.
Hmm.
It's also going via same. So what is the purpose of route map if it is not working? And you can see here,
Hmm.
it is showing me my source IP is this one. Okay, my destination IP is this one,
Is that? Yeah.
and policy,
Rejected.
yeah.
Okay.
So my policy is rejecting. My route map is not good. My route map condition is not right.
Not properly set.
Yeah, it's not set because what I did, I made here two policy. That is wrong. I should make, only one policy. For your understanding, I made it little bit clear, but it's wrong.
Okay.
Yeah. So let me do it again, everything. Now I will do again. So I have to remove no access list 10, no access list 20. Okay. And
Wait. As I you have to make just one. not 2.
Yes, I have to make 1. I made it 2.
2, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, I made it
Okay.
2. I wanted to explain you better way, so I created 2.
2 along the, okay.
But it got confusion to router.
Yeah. All right. I see.
Okay, route map is clear now. And access list also clear. So show access list. Because you know what's
Okay.
happening?
Yeah.
When it's trying to, go for condition. So it's showing, 2 condition there. And 2 condition both right. That's why it's rejecting. Okay,
Because I saw it went through, but it rejected.
yeah, that's why I, open packet there. So I can
Mm,
see why it's
okay.
rejected. See, FIB means forwarding information means you're forwarding traffic.
Mm,
So normal forwarding is rejected.
okay.
Okay, let me create again access list. Now I will create different access list and I will use only simple route map. Access list 10 and permit. First I will take my first loop back. I will do little fast. Then second loop back.
Okay.
Okay, this is right. Why I deleted the access list? Okay. Then I will create my second access list. So I will try to give different name. Access list
Okay.
23.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, 10, 20 will same there. 14.0.2.0. This thing you have to understand where, oh, see
No,
this
no.
again wrong.
Okay.
So you have to understand this thing, very carefully. Which statement you are giving, which sequence number you are giving. It should be,
Easily one can make a mistake.
yeah. So access list I created. So let's see, show access list. Sorry.
List.
Okay, this is access
Okay.
list.
Yeah.
And it is clearly right here, standard IP access
And
list.
IP. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Standard
Now
IP access.
I will make
Okay.
route map. Oh, sorry. I will give single name now. Okay.
Okay.
Let me write here any name like what I can give here name. Traffic. Okay. Traffic. And yeah, it's common name and permit tab. And now I will assign my access list IP address 10
Okay.
sorry, not set IP address, match address.
Yes.
Match IP address 10. This thing,
Okay. Good.
yeah. Then next hop I will set IP. Next hop, 2 loop back I
Next
have
up.
next hop 1.1.2.
Mm.
And that's it. One route map is completed. Then second route map traffic is a name. Okay, same name.
Yeah.
Permit 20.
Permit. Mm.
Then I will match my second access list. 20. Okay. Then I will set next hop. Set I.
IP. Next.
Okay. Right.
IP next up.
Yeah. Sorry. I set IP next hop. 2.2.2. Okay, that's it.
Mm-hmm.
Now I will give a single permission to route map. Okay. Route map
Permit.
permit. Sorry. Route map name. Route
Okay.
traffic
Traffic. Permit.
permit 30. That's it.
That.
Let's see. Show route map. Okay. Now it's looking good, right?
Good. Yeah.
Now condition is
Yeah.
good.
everything is set.
Okay, let's apply on the interface. Interface. Okay, first I have to remove old one. So how I can check? It is show run interface f0/0. If anything, yeah, it's already here configured. See, only one was there on interface, right?
Yeah.
So let me remove it.
Remove it.
No IP policy.
IP policy.
Yeah, now I can use my new one, traffic. Okay. Okay, yeah. Now it is configured, set.
It's okay.
So let's check now. First, I will check my first one. 12.01 can ping to. Yeah, it is going via 1.1.2. So here it will show. See. Now my source address 30.0.1. Destination 12.0.1. It is using this one, 1.1.2.
This is a policy match.
And FIB policy routed.
Yeah.
Means now it's working. My route map is working. So how you can check like also show route map. So it will show you here how many policy match. See, in first one, match 3 policy and 180 byte packet is gone from there. Okay, let's see another one. My last statement. Actually, this time, little bit tiredness with me. What is I have to do? Okay. Okay, my this loop back 30.0.1 is going via 1.2. Now I have to check 30.2.1 should be go 2.2.2. Okay. 3.1. Source 13.0.3. It should be go via 2.2.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
So now my traffic is filtering well. FIB routed. Now my traffic is filtering well. Is too low back. First to loop back, it's going via S2/0, and second to loop back, it's going via S2/1, 2.2.2. So it is still not completed, yes, because we have one more thing here, PBR. Okay,
PBR.
Yeah, same thing, policy based routing.
Okay.
Sometime, in shortcut, we say PBR. So we will continue this lab. It's not completed yet.
All right.
So I will do WR statement on all router. So did you get here basic meaning? So should I copy this all configuration where I created right thing?
For me, it's okay. I got I'm getting used to the commands now. So it's all right. I don't know of others.
No, I want to just give, route map configuration. That's it.
Okay, it's a new command.
Yeah, only route map configuration.
Okay.
I will just give you route map. IP address, this thing I will not give again and again. Because IP address, I just give you this configuration.
All right.
Okay.
That's better.
Control S. Route map. 9 p.m. Still it is not completed, but okay. Okay, guys. So see you tomorrow.